Really? Come on, vegans. Now you've gone too far. You're making hot dogs out of carrots. If you are thinking that, stay with me because I'm gonna show you a really fun and really cool recipe. And I was also skeptical, I have to say, but honestly, it's so easy and so extremely delicious that you gotta try this. So these are the carrots I'm using today. Some are larger, some are smaller. You know, that's just how it is in nature as well. All we're doing now, we're shaping it with a peeler. So I would recommend you take a little thicker carrot so that in the end you get an even shape. And of course there is no need to throw away the peel. I'm gonna keep that and make a juice out of it afterwards. These are the ingredients for our marinade. To give it this really smoky flavor, I'm gonna use our Ahimsa Spice Blend Namaste Africa, which has lots of smoked paprika, so it gives it a really authentic flavor. So you can order the spices online, organicspicesibiza.com. I will also link to it down below. We just mix all our ingredients for the marinade together, and now I'm gonna also add some water because obviously we want also the carrot to get soft on the inside or fully cooked. And I'm gonna add the carrots to the pan and also the marinade. What we're gonna do now, we wanna let this steam, so I'm gonna place a lid onto it and it should cook for about 10 minutes. In the end, they should look like this. They're glazed from the maple syrup. They have sweetness, they have spice and smokiness to it, and they are so delicious. I can't wait to try them. And actually now, you guys, I think this would be a very good opportunity to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Don't even think about it. Just hit it, click it. There you go. Thank you. Instead of the bread, we're using sweet potatoes today. So I will slice them thinly, kind of like a bread, a little thinner. And then we're gonna use chopsticks just to avoid cutting through. I'm not gonna spice them too much because then later we're gonna put all our toppings on it. So I'm only gonna use a little bit of salt and olive oil. Now it's time to garnish our beautiful, cute little carrot hot dogs. It's still unbelievable that they actually look like hot dogs. And wait until you taste them because they really, really do taste like a hot dog. Unbelievable, I know, but it's true. We are making 3 varieties today, a Mexican one, a Middle Eastern one, and also a Austrian one. Because I'm from Austria and honestly I've never made anything Austrian on this channel before, so today is the day. For the Austrian one, I'm obviously using sauerkraut, which is super popular in Austria, and I'm adding some Austrian pumpkin seeds. They usually always come from China, I mean really mostly, so I'm very happy to have Austrian pumpkin seeds here. This we actually call the green gold in Austria. It's pumpkin seed oil. And I don't know why it's not super popular all over the world because it is extremely healthy and extremely delicious. So if you see this anywhere, you gotta try this because honestly, your life will change after trying it. Here is our trio of vegan, gluten-free, extremely healthy carrot hot dogs. Thank you so much for being here. If you try this recipe, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram at Ahimsa Plant Kitchen. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I can't wait to see you very soon.